Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on BeFunding. You click on your profile and enter the account section. You enter your profile, register your personal information before verification, and click on Save Change. At the bottom section, the verification part becomes active for us, and we click on Upgrade. In the verification section, we upload a photo of the front of the ID card and a document like a bank statement or a bill to prove the address. In the ID card section, we click on Upload File to send the photo and upload the photo. And in the Proof of Address section, you must upload documents with a maximum date of 3 months. You click on Upload File and upload the document. You enter the Sign Contract section, and if you wish, you can upload another photo of a bill in this section. And finally, you click on Complete Process. And to register the information, you click on this option. Then your documents will be under review. And friends, to check the status of your verification, you enter your profile and click on Account. And as you can see, our account was verified after 1 business day. Good luck!